Your vehicle's brakes are one of its most important safety systems. Being able to suddenly slow or stop is critical to you and your family's safety. The brake system has many components that need to be inspected regularly to ensure they're working the way they should. We'll thoroughly assess your brake pads, rotors, calipers, brake fluid levels, lines, and hoses. We'll recommend or make any needed repairs with OEM parts designed specifically for your vehicle, inspected, installed, and serviced by factory-trained and certified technicians with the expertise to keep you and your family safe. Trust us to keep you moving and stopping. Schedule an appointment today.